So this is our Mercantile, built in 1905.
The most sustainable buildings are the ones that are already standing up.
100%. So we took an old building and gave it modern upgrades, the same structure, the ironwork.
That's such a great feature.
It's all original, and you can't replace this stuff. It's amazing. Come on in.
Hi, Jenny.
Oh, hi, you're here.
Hi,
good
so
to see you.
So I was kind of explaining outside how we kind of kept this 1905 building as original as possible. These windows, this had been covered up over time. The original lentil beams that were there, we didn't have to make anything new. We've got an apartment upstairs. The door going in was the first house that we renovated when we started our show 7 years ago. Where we had to replace, we went to more efficient, better processes.
Right.
So speaking of efficiency, we've got, 1,300 square feet or so. Our stock room was really small, but we really had to maximize the space without, like you said when we were walking up, without building new. We do have some, fixed storage, but most of our storage happens because we were required to work within a smaller space. But this is Vindy. She literally makes all the magic of this happen. So basically, we've saved ourselves better than 1,000 square feet of additional building we would have had to build, because we're stacking it and having electric machines basically pull our product as we sell it, as we need it, as it gets ordered online. And it was all about trying to maximize our footprint and our efficiency together, which it can be tough.
Yeah, so more storage, smaller footprint. Sustainability is about efficiency.
Yeah, I could sit and watch this all day, but I want to take you back up front and show you how we locally source a lot of our products, which is a big key to our sustainability. So we really try to be, as good as we can to the environment in the materials that we use. I mean, we try to use paper and glass and, something that's not going to go sit in a landfill.
And the same with ingredients. On all of our products here, we use very minimal ingredients. This pasta has
2 ingredients.
2 ingredients. 3-ingredient jam. It's made here locally. The honey, that's just honey. Cutting boards that Dave and our boys make just out of scrap wood.
Locally and sustainable, they go hand in hand.
Yeah, locally means less transportation, less packaging. 99% of the businesses here in North America are actually small businesses, right? So there's a lot that can be done by sourcing locally, benefiting the community and benefiting society as a whole, right?
Hang on, I have a little something for you.
Oh, you shouldn't.
A little gift for you and Heather. Take home.
So what do you think of our store?
Pretty sustainable.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, you have a lot going on in this community.